Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to talk about dye spa skin treatments you can do at home. Who doesn't dream of a relaxing and refreshing spa day, leaving all the worries behind and immersing ourselves in day of pleasure and pleasure is an absolute need in today's busy lives. Let's take a look at some of the sparking treatments you can do at the convenience of your home. 1. Exfoliate with homemade sugar scrub. Exfoliation is an important part of all facial and skin treatments. Removal of dead old skin cells. It's important to make the skin look soft, smooth and radiant. Now you can make a homemade scrub using simple ingredients like sugar, raw oatmeal and olive oil. Mix these ingredients in equal proportion and apply on face. Use either your hand or brush and give a circular motion stroke slowly. 2. Lighten dark skin areas with lemon. Most women face the problem of dark spots, be it armpits, elbows and knees. Now it's time to say goodbye to this problem with a simple home treatment. Take a freshly cut lemon and rub on the affected areas. The acid in the lemon works on the skin and lightens any dark spots. 3. Tone your skin with homemade rose water. Preparing your rose water tone is the simplest work when it comes to a home spa treatment. All you need is rose petals and boiling water. Mix them and pack them with the lid. Once cooled, squeeze the liquid out of the rose petals and refrigerate the rose water in a clean container. 4. Eye depuffing with cucumber and tea bags. Most of us spend long days in front of computer and television, which leads to red and puffy eyes. You can now overcome this problem by placing thinly sliced cucumber on ice for 10 to 15 minutes. If the cucumber is not available, you can try placing damp tea bags on your eyes, which help to reduce the puffiness. 5. Delicious and natural chocolate facial mask. We all love chocolate. The same yummy chocolate can be used for skin pampering too. The preparation of chocolate facial mask is simple. Mix half cup of choco, 4 tablespoons of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese, half cup honey and 3 tablespoons oatmeal powder till it achieves a smooth consistency. Apply on the face and wash with warm water and pave the way for gorgeous glowing skin. 6. Warm water with relaxing oils. After a long tiring day, a warm and relaxing shower is all we need. Turn on your shower and run the hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Take a warm towel and spray any de-stressing relaxing oil like lavender, vanilla, jasmine or rosemary. Wipe your face and body with towel and experience the aroma of the de-stressing oils and relax in the bathtub for a while. Finally, thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.